Now we can create some additional isometric viewports in our layout. To do that, we can run Sheets command from Specify ribbon. We can click Sheets. And of course, here we can set isometric viewport. As you can see, isometric viewport has less information. We will insert with a fit scale. And instead of as displayed, we can change the shade plot. We can set, for example, realistic, and we can press OK button. I click OK. And after that, we can draw the first sheet. For example, we can use, in this case, like this. We can draw the rectangle. And we have inserted the first viewport. If we select the properties, we can check the properties. As you can see, the shade plot has been set to realistic, and standard scale has been set to custom. Of course, if you want, you can also enter inside the viewport in order to zoom in, just to increase the dimension of the drawing inside the viewport, just to add and to increase the zoom factor. We can repeat now the command, so I can call Sheets again. Okay, always fit, and so isometric southeast. In this case, I can select conceptual and press OK. We can draw, in this case, the second viewport here. Okay, again, we can enter, and we can make also a zoom, just moving the wheel or retrieving directly from there. You have zoom command. Double click out again. Another one, northwest, and in this case, we can select, for example, shades of gray. And zoom in. And as last one, we can insert another one, always fit, from isometric northeast. And in this case, we can select, for example, sketchy. Just put it over there. Well, we have inserted our 4 isometric viewport. As you can see, the visualization style is wireframe, okay. But now if we run plot command of AutoCAD and we click preview just to show the preview of our layout, we can see how it looks like. And as you can see, we have here the 4 viewports just inserted with a different shade plot. Of course, now we have the ceiling, okay, because the ceiling, it's a layer turned on. So we can go there and we can press cancel, and we can enter inside each viewport, and from layer manager, okay, we can decide to freeze in the current viewport the layer named 400 roof 3D. Okay, we can set freeze in the current viewport. Okay, we can do the same also here. And also for the other viewports. And we can call again now the preview. As you can see now, we can see the preview of our drawing. And that's the end result.